Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not. Hello everyone and welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope you are all well. Today's video is about Zomedica. I told you about Zomedica over 3 weeks ago. Check out the video in the archives, but I am delighted to say that over the last week it has shot up over 145%. It's been 3 weeks of waiting and it popped the last 3 days. It has done nothing but throb, guys. A few people had jumped on it and they've been very thankful to me. If you've missed out on it, well guys, this is why you've got to hit like, you've got to hit subscribe, you've got to hit the alert bell, you've got to keep up to date with this stuff. I'm telling you, it's before the throb starts, guys. There's plenty of examples, but this is a good one because people have asked me, what are you going to do now? My target was double your money. I've done that. I've kept it. I'm up 131%. What did I do? Well, I took out £500. I had initially invested 800 in this one. I took out 500, and as you can see here, guys, I've about close to £1,400 left in it. Almost all house money, and that's where you want to be with these types of stocks. It takes away any risk. At the end of the day, it's all money that I gain from Zomedica. My plan now is to see how far this can go. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, I talked about true forma. I'm not going to go into it. Go into the archives, listen to all about it. It's exciting. It's a hot product. It could change the veterinary situation forever. Massive news. What I am talking about today is why it's dipped. It's going to open up today, guys, about down 10, 15, 20%. You're going to get this video tomorrow. So after the fact, I don't know what will happen today, but it's looking like it's going to go down. And the reason it's going to go down is because Zomedica has offered out the shares at a lower price to try and raise funds. Let's explore it. Let's talk about it. And we'll get an idea of exactly what this means and why I'm not too worried about this and why I see this as an opportunity. Also, check out the recent Reuters article. It's a good read, guys. It's about memes, how that's affecting the stock market. That's so current right now. Manipulation, how it's all affecting it. Have a check out that. And also, don't forget, add me on the Instagram, guys. Add me on Twitter, and the links are in the bio. You'll keep up to date with it. I'm posting videos live. That's how you keep up. So you don't even have to wait for these videos. You can get even more information quick, straight to your phone. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so if we jump on Yahoo Finance, Zomedica Corp increases previously announced bought deal offering of common shares to $173.5 million. Alright, so this only came out. This came out after the bell. This is why it dipped so quickly. Obviously, I'm thankful that I've got some of my money. Yes, hindsight being 2020, wouldn't it have been great to have got all the money out and then caught the dip? But here, no point talking about that.
If only me auntie had bollocks, she'd be me uncle.
Skimming over this, the main points: due to the demand, the underwriter has agreed to increase the size of the previously announced public offering and purchase a firm commitment basis common shares of Zomedica at a price of the public of 1.9 per share. Okay, so that's quite a significant drop. We're up to 2.7 to finish that yesterday, so you're talking 0.8 of a dollar per share less. So naturally you'll get a bit of a pullback to try and get it to that price. Now in my experience it could go down to that kind of $2 mark. Let's divulge and see what they're planning to do with this. So it's going to go through on February the 11th. So they're raising this money, guys, and this is what you want to see. They're not spending on a big party. Zomedica intends to use the net proceeds from the offering for the continued development of its diagnostic platforms, including making milestone payments, if any, as they come due, under its existing license and collaboration agreements for strategic acquisitions, if and when they become available, and other general corporate and working capital purposes, and may use a portion of the net proceeds to repurchase some or all of its outstanding Series 1 preferred shares, although no agreement has been reached with respect to the terms and conditions of any such repurchase. Okay guys, so the public offering is $1.90, currently sitting at $2.70 before it opens up today. It's looking like it's going to go down about 17%. To bring it down to 190 would be about a 30% drop. Now, if it fell below 190, I would start to panic. But if it goes down to 190, I won't be panicking. And what I will do is I will be buying the dips. I am very, very tempted today to take out the money that I took out, the £500. I'm tempted to put that straight back in. But I'm going to approach it cautiously. I might put in about £200 today, watch it drop and see if it does go down to that 190. But historically now, you can't use previous performances as an indicator for future. But historically, generally speaking, firstly, you got to believe in the thing, which I do. I believe that we're going to naturally get a rise up till March. I said in my previous videos, guys, this is just going to rise up. I didn't expect to be taking money out of this until middle of March at the earliest. I just can't believe how much it's already throbbed. But we are where we are. The fundamentals and all the main story and all the hype, all that's still to come, in my opinion. There's nothing. No fundamentals have changed about this year. Everything that I was excited about and hyped up about is still to happen. The company now, based on the market cap, is over 1 billion. Incredible. So let's just see where it consolidates at. I reckon if it falls below 190, I might start to panic a bit. But generally speaking, I believe this is going to take off and throb, and it'll still get up. So actually, in some respects, if I fell down close to the 190, it wouldn't be the worst thing. I'd be able to buy it and ride that 30% back up, because what you'll see potentially is that investors will look at this here, they'll see that the price offer is at 190, it'll fall down, and then they'll see that whole room at the top that they can go back up to the $270, $3 and beyond. So I'm not being worried about it. I've took out some of the money. It's mostly house money I'm playing with anyway, so I'm happy and feel content with the whole play. And I'll be definitely watching this space, but at a 20% discount, it would be very, very tempting to be loading back up again. I'm not worried, guys. I think it'll be a good one, but of course, do your own research and your own due diligence, of course. But I will keep you up to date with on Instagram and on my social platforms of how it's come along, and of course on YouTube, guys. I'll be straight away popping you a video, so it's important to hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the alert. Well, guys, that's the video. Just an update on Zomedica. I still believe there's legs to run on this bad boy. We've got till the March 31st. I will keep you up to date. My intentions will be to, at some stage, pull out my money, because I believe naturally once we get to the March 31st, there'll be the whole, buy the rumor, sell the story. I believe once we get to that date, it probably will sell back, and we'll talk about my plans then. I do see this as a long-term hold, but I'm going to try my best to swing trade it and to maximize the profits, and I'll tell you how to do that. I'll tell you my strategy, but of course, guys, you don't be doing anything off my bat. You need to be doing your own due diligence and checking out and researching your own things before investing a penny. And even if you do invest any money, make sure it is money that you feel comfortable with losing, perhaps, or better yet, holding long term and gaining out of it. And until next time, enjoy your day.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.